Can I suggest? Mastering the art of polite suggestions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on a really important topic: how to make polite offers and suggestions using "can I?" This particular language tool can be immensely helpful in creating a friendly, respectful, and positive communication environment. So, let's dive in. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the role of "can I?" in making offers. When we use "can I?", we're not just making a suggestion, but we're also offering to take action. For instance, consider the sentence, "Can I help you with that?" Here, you're not just suggesting help but offering to be a part of the solution. Now that we understand the concept, let's look at how to construct sentences using "can I?" The general formula is quite simple. Can I plus verb, in base form, plus object, subject. For example, can I open the window? Can I make you some coffee? Can I show you something interesting? Remember, it's important to use the verb in its base form. Adding extra tense or aspect markers can make the sentence sound odd or incorrect. Can I can be used in various contexts. Whether it's at work, school, or a social setting, this phrase helps to create a collaborative and considerate tone. At work, can I take up this project? At school, can I show you my presentation, teacher? Socially, can I introduce you to my friend? Politeness and modulation in tone play a crucial role in making the "can I?" offer sound polite and less demanding. The tone should be friendly and open to indicate that you are willing to help, rather than imposing your ideas. There you have it. That's how you can use "can I?" to make polite offers and suggestions in English. Remember, practice is key, so try using these structures in your daily conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this lesson helps make your English conversations even more enriching and polite. Stay tuned for more lessons, and happy learning!